Hello Tech Explorers, want to control who can see when you are online on Telegram? I got you. In just few taps, you can change your active status and stay private. Let's go. First, open the Telegram app and tap on the three lines at the top left corner to open the menu. Now, tap on Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Here you will see the last seen and online option. Tap on it. Now you can choose everybody if you want everyone to see when you are online. My contacts, only your saved contacts will see your active status. Nobody, keep your online status completely private. Want to make exceptions? Scroll down and tap Never Save With or Always Save With to customize it further. Once you are happy with your settings, just tap Save and you are done. Do you prefer to stay private or let people see when you are online? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.